Meaning of Henry Mancini.
Henry Mancini.
Henry Mancini.
Henry Mancini.
Henry Mancini. Henry Mancini was an American composer, conductor, and arranger who was born on April 16, 1924, in Cleveland, Ohio, and died on June 14, 1994, in Los Angeles, California. He was widely regarded as one of the greatest composers in the 20th century, and his music ranged from jazz and pop to classical and film scores. Mancini created memorable soundtracks for numerous films, including The Pink Panther, Breakfast at Tiffany's, and Hatari. His music was distinguished by its catchy melodic hooks, lush arrangements, and distinctive use of instrumentation, and he won 4 Academy Awards and 20 Grammys during his career.